Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. So yeah, we're retracing finally. It was a bit overdue anyway. We did overshoot even my target area that I had on the chart here that reached all the way up to the 200% multiple. So a little bit of a retracement here for MATIC is overdue. The key is now that we hold certain levels, and I'm going to tell you which ones. So my view about all of this here on the chart, I mean, honestly, from a long-term perspective, MATIC has worked out perfectly. Now, there's a few things we need to talk about that are very, very important. Yeah. In my opinion, this is a crystal clear impulse to the upside. Now, there's never guarantees in financial markets, so this move could absolutely reverse and we could crash down and make lower lows, but that would be against likelihoods, yeah, and unlikely events happen all the time, unfortunately, but we have to be honest about that. There is no 100% guarantee. For now, it's looking promising, it's looking good. Now, what we need to talk about is this first of all, because this is relevant for a lot of crypto. So let me take out this ascending trend line, take that out. Do you see this white descending trend line? Yeah. You can draw it various ways. Yeah, probably the most relevant one was here. And can you see the breakout point? Let me just adjust it a little bit. Where was the breakout point? The breakout point was here. That was one of the signals that I gave channel members. A move above 62 cents with a retest of the 62 cent level could lead and take us to 80 cents. Now, 80 cents was the 1.618 multiple. It took us even higher, even better. But why was this an important point? So first of all, we broke above the 78.6% Fib level. And not only that, we had a very powerful reversal signal here on the chart. An inverse head and shoulders. Can you see that? I mean, it's like three shoulders, but it's basically one large shoulder. The head and the right shoulder. And this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Typically, what you would expect is that you also, if you have here the height of the head added to the breakout point, that would be your target. Do you see that? It was pretty accurate, wasn't it? Yeah. Well, I didn't take that target. I took the 1.618 multiple, but that was pretty accurate. Now, the point that I'm trying to make, you currently see this pattern on various crypto charts. Okay, I just picked one up on Dogecoin. That signal, or not, well, that inverse head and shoulders pattern, you can see it on Polygon, you can see it on Polkadot, you can see it at a lot of crypto charts at the moment. So I just want to make you aware that a lot of these patterns could break out the same way as MATIC and could be as explosive if you break this neckline. Just wanted to make that point. Just be aware of it, yeah? Just be aware of it. No financial advice, but this could be powerful. Okay, so we then talked about here the yellow wave 1, 2, and that we are in a wave 3. I formulated the green target area. We even did overshoot it. Okay, we reached basically a higher Fibonacci extension target. That's fine. So let me just take out this target area because it messes around now a little bit. But the point is, we reached the target. We went even a bit higher. Now, what happens now? In my opinion, this was only the wave 3. Could it be the wave? Yeah, no, in my opinion, it was only the wave 3, which means you have here a long wave 5 and we finished off the wave 3. So basically that from down here, you made your 1, your 2, we had the 3. We should now move down in a 4. And this is exactly the retracement I've been waiting for all the time. Now, finally we get it, where we peaked all the way up to $1. So it came down up to $1. A lot of people already talk now about what did it say? A bear trap. Yeah, a lot of people talk about the bear trap. Sorry, I'm confused about a bull trap. So a lot of people are already talking about a bull trap. Well, let me tell you, retracements in uptrends are normal as well. So just because we see a few red candles here doesn't mean we have to crash down. Of course we could, but there's no evidence for that. What would be, for me personally now, the most likely retracement area? So it would be the 38.2% Fib level at 76.8 cents. That would be for this wave 4 the most likely retracement level. So we've got 3 levels that are now of relevance. that you please pay attention to. So first one is the 23.6% fib level at 85 cents. That is the minimum that would need to be done in a wave 4. The ideal level would be the 38.2 at 76.8 cents, and the maximum the wave 4 should do is at 70 cents. That would already be maxing it out. If MATIC is very bullish, it should only be the 85 cent level, but we could of course also drop here to that 76.8. So keep an eye on that retracement area. And from here we should have a chance to reverse. And the problem is this whole uptrend will get invalidated if we drop once more below 62.5 cents below the wave 1. Then it will get invalidated. Then we would be below the 50% fib retracement anyway. And if we go below 70 cents, I think we can look at a larger retracement. I mean, something that will then go down here to 62 or below. Okay, and then it would invalidate this imminent wave count. So this is what we're currently looking at. One reason why I think the 23.6% fib level might be of relevance here is because of this ascending trend line that we can draw. Yeah, so a pullback to the trend line would be likely. Now that could be here that 23.6% fib level, okay? So if you break the trend line, I think we're gonna get to the 38.2, and if we lose that, the 50%. At the latest here, the wave 4 should turn around and get back into an impulse to the upside. That should take us then hopefully above $1. Yeah, so this is currently how it's looking like, and all of this whole impulse then will be corrected down, and that would be then another entry point. If this whole impulse, yeah, with the wave 4 and the wave 5, when that's complete, when all of that gets corrected, that might be then another entry point. So that's how we are currently looking at it. Hopefully you liked the update about MATIC. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.